Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 20th of November 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, soon after receiving a few orders from Turkey, Goldwind signed a deal for a blade factory in the country. Its partner, Dere Construction, is rumored to be looking at Izmir as the preferred area for the facility, since it is the main hub for the sector. The collaboration is aimed at localizing wind turbine blade production, ensuring a stable supply and aligning with the requirements of the YECA program. To win state support under the auction scheme, developers must ensure that all components have domestic content rates of at least 51%. The minimum for the towers and blades was 65% in the last call. A federal judge on Tuesday wrestled with whether the U.S. President's administration had acted lawfully when it halted permitting of new wind projects nationwide. Justice Department Attorney Michael Robertson said the pause was only temporary, and that any challenge to the policy needed to be pursued on a case-by-case basis by wind project developers if the agencies act unreasonably in delaying permits. But Justice Saris noted that no permit had been issued in the 10 months since Trump's directive, meaning, quote, "It's not like a temporary stop because someone had COVID, it's indefinite." Latin America and the Caribbean are facing a structural challenge. Renewable energy is expanding faster than the region's electrical grids can absorb. According to a new report from the Inter-American Development Bank, more than 53,000 gigawatt-hours of clean electricity were curtailed in 2024 due to insufficient transmission capacity. That is equivalent to 3.2% of total regional generation. The Natural Resources Committee of the U.S. House of Representatives has advanced a bill aimed at getting energy projects built faster. The Standardizing Permitting and Expediting Economic Development Act would make key reforms to the National Environmental Policy Act. That is the law governing much of the U.S. federal permitting process for infrastructure projects, including offshore wind and onshore projects on federal land. Renewable power curtailment in Chile surged by 19% in the first 8 months of 2025 compared to the same period in 2024. The country's northern regions were the most affected. Curtailment reached 3,187 gigawatts-hours between January and August. Solar power was curtailed the most during this year's 8 months, accounting for 74%, followed by wind farms with 24% and hydro with 1.9%. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.